Good day, my name is Simone Schlafhorst-Biermann. I am the concept developer of Neurotango. As we've seen amazing improvements in Parkinson's symptoms over the last 10 years, I'd like to introduce NTT, the neurotechnical tools, and of course Neurotango with immediate effect. The neurotechnical tools are a tool-based method that firstly are derived from Argentine tango. They are movement mechanisms. Secondly, neuromotor, neurocognitive, and kinesiological exercises serve as preparatory exercises for this. Thirdly, all tools were created based on mechanisms or functional principles of neurology. A short list of the impressive results on physical, psychological, neurological, and social levels that we have observed over the last 10 years. These include balance, both physical and psychological, reduced or no pain during NTT, upright alignment of the spine, less depressive moods, more flexibility and mobility, improvement of cardiovascular functions, cognitive improvements, concentration, alertness, and faster reactions, including when responding, more interests and social contacts. The voices of those affected who have experienced the training and report on their improvements are certainly convincing.
My doctor told me that movement is the be-all and end-all for Parkinson's. I have found that tango is a particularly pleasant form of movement.
I'm not affected by Parkinson's, but my tinnitus has improved. It's no longer as loud and bothersome.
Yes, I can speak properly again, not whispering or being anxious. In any case, I've also become more self-confident and don't put up with everything anymore.
The 14 days here in Mallorca helped me to walk better again after 11 years of walking disability.
Especially my mask-like appearance, expression, probably always too, and that has improved significantly now. I'm also very glad that I'm doing this tango therapy now.
I'm honestly very surprised, really quite surprised by this rather unexpected short-term success.
And it really did something for both of us. It was really nice.
Tango also has convincing results in the combination of Parkinson's with Alzheimer's or with depression. Here we have another comparison image of a Parkinson's patient before Neurotango therapy and then afterwards, where you can very clearly see the height and the straightening of the spine. The Neurotango method consists, in addition to the main tools, of neuro tools for people with neurological conditions and the psycho tools for people with mental health disorders. The therapy can be applied while sitting, standing, or lying down. To the question, why does Neurotango work? One of the reasons lies in the sensory perception mode. The patients or those affected are in the direct sensory perception mode. The reason lies in the maximum brain stimulation. Motor impulses, cognitive processing, and sensory stimuli such as hearing music, feeling, smelling, and observing partners all take place at the same time. In addition to the formation of new movement patterns, brain patterns, and behavioral patterns, it can be assumed that biochemical processes are also involved here, which are also described in embodiment. We have summarized the observed aspects for you here once again, the results on a cognitive and physical basis. Here is a summary of the psychological effects that we were able to observe with Neurotango. This is certainly the summary of the neurological mechanisms that we have applied in Neurotango in order to achieve faster learning and rapid improvements. I would like to thank you very much for your attention, and if you would like to know more about Neurotango and the NTT, you can do so in the books The Perfect Therapy or Neurotango, Principles of Tango Therapy. Of course, scientific studies and findings are also available on our website tango-therapy.com. Thank you.